We're going to be talking about a VPN that's used by 45 million people that want to enhance their online privacy and security, Zenmate. One-click security is a major selling point, especially for you folks who aren't tech-savvy but still want a way to stop ad companies and ISPs from tracking their every move. But before we go into our review, please hit the subscribe button below, share this video, and like it. Your help is instrumental in helping us grow this channel and provide you with the industry's best reviews. We've also left a special link in the description below so you can get discounted rates. Okay, now it's time for the good stuff. Zenmate is a VPN with a 100% guaranteed no-log policy, and there's a 7-day free trial that allows you to test out the VPN with no restrictions. For me, a free trial is a major selling point because I'm able to test out all of the features without spending money in the process. Servers are spread across 78 global locations with a total of 2,700 servers to choose from. New servers are added frequently, especially in countries where there's a routinely high amount of server load. In some countries like Canada, you'll find servers are located in multiple cities. Anyone that wants to be able to file share over P2P will find that there are special servers available, often in the countries that have the most relaxed logging laws and requirements that are made for P2P sharing. That's a nice way to separate servers and allows you to be confident that you can use P2P networks on your connection. These servers have been optimized for file sharing and known to unblock torrenting sites. Streaming services are also available to remove geo-restrictions on the leading streaming platforms, including Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, Disney+, HBO Now, and so many others. If you're interested in high-end encryption, there's 256 AES military-grade encryption available across all servers to keep all of your data safe when being transferred. You also have the option to choose from multiple protocols, including OpenVPN, IKEv2, and LT2P/IPsec. If you don't know the difference between these protocols, don't worry, the default settings are secure enough for 99% of users. Speaking of settings, Zenmate has software and applications that make one-click installation possible. When you sign up, you should check your inbox and spam folder for instructions on installing your VPN. If you can't find your mail, don't worry, we got you covered. Go to the official site, zenmate.com, and navigate to the download section at the bottom of the page. Click on your operating system or browser name on the list, download the installer, and install. Zenmate is available for a wide range of operating systems, including all of the major ones: Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, and even smart televisions and browsers. Even if your operating system isn't supported, chances are you can install one of the extensions for Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Opera to secure your connection. The next steps are easy. Open the app, choose your favorite server, and hit connect. You can favorite the server, choose options for streaming, or go to more servers to see a long list of servers by country and type. I do want to mention that the company has come out openly and stated that Zenmate does not work in China. The country is known for their great firewall and keeps strict control of all the population's internet activity. Zenmate has more than enough servers, cheap prices, and a strict no-logs policy. If you want a VPN that's designed for streaming or torrenting, click on the link in the description below to give Zenmate a try and get it on our special rate. You can connect up to 5 devices at one time, and there's a built-in kill switch that will stop all internet connections if the VPN goes offline. This feature is so important for journalists or people that torrent because even the smallest issue can cause your identity to be revealed. Overall, Zenmate is a good option for non-tech savvy users that want a well-rated, secure VPN that requires only one click to use. That's it for today, everyone.